Office space is cute. Area. I see some people already kind of setting up. I guess they're gonna have a little party out here. Little ping pong table and whatnot. Really pretty. And then this is the other side of the view for the pool. Plenty of places to get content, keep pictures. So the gym was really, really cool. I just want to show you guys their little zen area for like if you want to do yoga, meditation outside. It's so pretty, right? Like I can imagine so much good content to start filming my yoga videos and stuff for you guys. To have that in the background is going to be such a vibe. I love that. They have that one, and then of course they have another one over there, but y'all already know I'm bougie. I gotta make sure I come with the aesthetics for y'all. That is so freaking cool. From the door, you have probably the washer and dryer. Yeah, washer and dryer. It's a good size. Probably the water closet. This is the bathroom. Not me looking like I sell real estate. Stroke it, baby, stroke it, baby. Work it, baby, work it, baby. Stroke it. There is something I want you to find me. On the door, you have probably the washer and dryer. Yeah, washer and dryer. It's a good size. Probably the water closet. This is the bathroom. Not me looking like I sell real estate. Okay guys, so we just finished the tour for property C, for tour C. Right now I'm going to go and circle back to one of the other properties that I was showing you guys in a previous video, just to check something out, just one more floor plan. I'm not, of course, going to show you that because we already went on that tour together, but I will be, of course, coming back on the camera when we get to the next property, which will be property D, tour D. But so far, I mean, how you guys liking it? Like, which one is feeling like y'all favorite? Make sure you comment down below and let me know which one you guys like the most. Yeah, let me go ahead and get to it. And I'm probably gonna get like a little break, go get me some Starbies, or go get some Chick-fil-A. Your girl getting a little hungry. This is a lot. I'm happy that today is the last day that I'm doing any tours. We got one more to go. Let's do it.